Okay, so my name is Kimberly Adams. I am one of the co-founders of Bridge Network, um, and apparently a billion-dollar baby. We are one of Crypto Oasis portfolio company, and I just wanted to give you a brief history about us. About a year ago, this is what our, well, if I can, oh, the lower one. This is what our ecosystem looked like. We had TDFi, and we had won a Polygon hackathon, and that was it. And then after we won the Polygon hackathon and we started working with TDFi, things started to go a little nuts. We got FTX, we got Crypto Oasis, we got Cypher Capital, and we got some incredible people in our ecosystem. And then from there on, things even went crazier. We have now built out an ecosystem of over 50 parties within the crypto ecosystem. So if you look at Bridge right now, you can see that we have been growing over and over every single month we've been onboarding partners. But you might ask, why are people joining the Bridge ecosystem? What are we building? So Bridge Network is a cross-chain protocol. We are solving a problem that blockchain actually created, which is the fragmentation of the infrastructure. When there's one blockchain, it is almost impossible to speak to another blockchain. And right now, we're seeing that one of the biggest design problems in the blockchain ecosystem is connectivity and interoperability. So Bridge Network is building out the infrastructure that connects all these blockchains together. But more importantly, we are building out the applications that users can actually use and interact with to make the multi-chain experience possible. As you can see here, we have built out an incredible ecosystem of tools. We have a token bridge, we have an NFT bridge, we have another tool that I'll explain in a little bit. We have a cross-chain swapping functionality, we have a cross-chain yield tool, it goes on and on. I recommend going to bridgenetwork.com to check it all out. But our goal really is to build out the most beautiful and user-friendly tools that everyone, whether you're new to the DeFi ecosystem, can access. This is a tool that I was telling you about. Bridge Network has built the first multi-chain deployer tool. And what this means is that if you are a project that launched on Ethereum, for example, and your community wants that token on Avalanche or Phantom, Binance Chain, instead of you having to go to a bridge and say, hey, can you please add my token to your bridge, or maybe spend thousands of dollars to build your own bridge, within 5 minutes, you can come to Bridge Network and deploy this in under 5 minutes. And we have onboarded over 20 projects right now, and we're onboarding even more. Thank you. The next part is, how do we build real-world use cases for multi-chain experiences? When I was coming from Miami to Dubai, I actually got stuck in the airport. My bank card stopped working, and I had to ask the guy next to me to use his credit card. And I told him I'll send him some USDC. And then is when I realized, why, for 8 years that I've been in this space, I've been dealing with this problem over and over. Every single time I travel, I could not access the funds because I'm all in crypto. Like, crypto is my life. So all of my funds are there. And in order for me to spend my crypto in my real world, I have to do OTC transactions every day. And coming from Barbados, people aren't building solutions for people like myself in underserved region. So this is where we came up with another tool, another app rather. It is a non-custodial multi-chain card system whereby anyone can now have access to a virtual or prepaid card, virtual or physical card wherever they are in the world. You simply connect your MetaMask wallet and load your card, and within five seconds rather, the card is funded with your crypto from any blockchain. So if you have BUSD on Binance Chain, USDC on Solana, it takes 2 seconds, and now you can access your crypto in the real world. On top of that, Bridge Network is a decentralized and trustless system. Our protocol currently runs with a bunch of validators that makes this system secure. We are one of the most secure bridges out there. I'm sure you guys have heard the amount of cross-chain bridging hacks that have happened. Bridge Network has not been hacked. We actually are proactive on this approach. We work with Lossless Protocol. They're a DeFi hack mitigation tool, and they act as a security watchdog over our project. And so from that, we decided, okay, how do we ensure that, yes, our network is trustless, but then how can everyone participate in our ecosystem? And this is where our DAO come in. Within the next few weeks, Bridge will be launching Bridge DAO, where everyone can have a say. Everyone can decide what products we launch, what chains we integrate, and have a real voice in the entire ecosystem. And with that, you can come check us out. That's our Twitter. We're always pushing updates and happy to answer any questions.
Hi, my name is Dr. Pranshu and I am from India. We have created our own DeFi project, milkshakeswap.finance, which is like working since 1.5 years. So like if we want to onboard our project in Bridge, what's the procedure and how can we lead to that?
We can do that very easily. Talk to that guy over there. He'll make it happen. Thank you, guys.